Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So in this video we are going to see what is the difference between exponentiation, tetration and pentation. Exponentiation is very easy. We know about it. We know that what is 2 cube. 2 cube means we will multiply 2 3 times. 2 times 2 times 2, right? And this is what? 8. So this is exponentiation, right? Similarly, 3 cube is 3 times 3 times 3, like you are multiplying 3 times. And if we have suppose 3 raised to power 4, it will become like this. Everybody knows this, right? But now today we will see what is tetration first. Okay, in tetration we repeat exponentiation. Okay, like how they say 2 and here they write 3, right? So that means they need to repeat exponentiation 3 times. That means 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2, like that. Okay, so and what will we get? Now I will tell you a rule about it. Whenever you have a raised to power b raised to power c, okay, never get confused with this a raised to power b raised to power c. Here we do not have any bracket. When we have bracket, we can multiply the powers like this. Okay, but here when we have like this a raised to power b raised to power c, we do not have any bracket. So in this case there is a hidden bracket, and that is here. So you will always solve b raised to power c first, and then you will solve further. Okay, so suppose here we have 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2. There is a hidden bracket here. So we raised to power we will solve this first. What is 2 raised to power 2? 4, right? And now we will solve this 2 raised to power 4, and this is what? 16, right? This is how we solve tetrations. Tetration is repetition of exponentiation, right? Similarly, when we come on pentation, pentation is repeat of tetration. This is repeat of tetration. Like how? Here you have 3 in the bottom here, right? 2 and 3. Now that means they are repeating tetration, and tetration we write here on the top, right? So we will write 2 times here, and it became 3 times, right? So this is 2 and 2 and 2, right? Now we will solve this tetration first. This tetration 2 and 2. What does this mean? This means that we need to find this 2 square, and it will become 4. That means we got this 2 and 4. And now again we need to repeat tetration, right? Because it is 4 and here 2. So it will be 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2, like that. Okay, I can write it here. It will be 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2. Because we in pentation, what do? We repeat tetration, and 2 4 here means this. Okay, now we will solve this first. It became 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 4, and this became 2 raised to power 16, and this is our answer, right? So this is in pentation. You do not use in normal maths, but still you should know about it, okay, when you get sometimes in competitive exams. And tetration you should know, because sometimes they get you get this question in many times you get in competitive exams. Okay, so this is the relation between these 3 things: exponentiation, tetration and pentation. And I hope you understood it. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and please visit my channel for more such questions. And if you like to solve maths riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.